Singapore has become increasingly difficult to open bank accounts in, and this is especially true for anyone from the EU, US, Canada, Australia, UK, or basically any developed country. But the main takeaway here is that while Singapore is difficult for banking, it's not impossible. The main factor that will determine if you can bank here, assuming you have a standard risk profile, is where you live. If you live in Singapore, you're all set. If you live in Asia more broadly, especially neighboring countries like Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, and Vietnam, you should also be able to open accounts. And if you live in Latin America, most applicants will also be able to open accounts, but they will likely have restrictions on the services, the products, and the investments that they can access. Singapore regulations are constantly changing, and your future banking relationships can be impacted by these changes. With this in mind, unless you plan on staying in Asia indefinitely, we would typically suggest opening in a more neutral expat banking jurisdiction that has more stable regulations and customer acceptance policies like Jersey or the Isle of Man.